Ron Hardy was a man driven by a passion for innovation and a deep connection to nature. Growing up in a rural town, he spent his childhood exploring the outdoors, observing animals, and helping his parents tend to their garden. These early experiences sparked his curiosity about how technology could enhance our understanding of the natural world. As he pursued a degree in engineering, his love for nature remained strong, and he often imagined inventions that could help farmers and pet owners alike. The loss of his childhood dog, Max, deeply affected Ron. Max had been a loyal companion, and when he passed away, Ron wished there had been a way to better understand his needs, to know when he was in pain or lonely. This personal experience fueled Ron's determination to create technology that could bridge the communication gap between humans and their pets. Years later, while working as a project manager at a tech company, Ron began to see the potential for AI in security cameras, but he envisioned these cameras as more than just surveillance tools. He saw them as companions and aids in everyday life. His dream was to create cameras that could watch over not just homes and businesses, but also living beings, pets and plants that needed care and attention. The opportunity to realize this dream came when Ron was approached by the Carrick Group in Bermuda. The Carrick Group, known for their strategic investments in groundbreaking technologies, had heard about Ron's work and were intrigued by his vision. They recognized the potential of his AI-powered security cameras and believed they could revolutionize several industries. Eager to support this ambitious endeavor, they provided Ron with the resources he needed to bring his ideas to life on a much larger scale. Partnering with the Carrick Group was a significant milestone for Ron. Their backing came with high expectations, and Ron was determined to deliver something truly extraordinary. The relationship between Ron and the Carrick Group was more than just financial. It was a genuine partnership built on mutual respect and a shared vision. The investors at Carrick Group were actively involved in the project's development, offering strategic guidance while giving Ron the freedom to assemble his dream team. Ron began by reaching out to his old college friend, Dr. Emily Green, an expert in animal behavior. Emily, who shared Ron's passion for animals, immediately saw the potential in AI-powered cameras that could understand pets. Together, they laid the groundwork for the project, but soon realized they needed more expertise. Ron expanded his team, bringing in professionals who were not just skilled in their fields, but also passionate about the project's mission. One of the first to join was Leo Martinez, an agricultural scientist Ron had met at a conference years earlier. Leo, dedicated to sustainable farming, was excited by the prospect of using AI to monitor and optimize crop growth. With experts like Leo on board, the team began developing cameras that could track the growth and health of plants in real time. These cameras could detect subtle changes in the plant's appearances, identify early signs of disease, and even predict the optimal time for harvesting. As the team grew, so did their sense of camaraderie. Ron wasn't just their leader, he was a mentor, a friend, and a source of inspiration. He made it a point to know everyone personally, often hosting team dinners where they would discuss not just work, but also their lives, hopes, and dreams. These gatherings fostered a strong sense of unity and shared purpose, which was essential as they faced the inevitable challenges of the project. During a particularly tough phase of testing, when the cameras weren't performing as expected, morale was low. Sensing the frustration, Ron decided to take the team on a surprise weekend retreat to a cabin in the woods, a place reminiscent of his childhood. There, surrounded by nature, they hiked, cooked meals together, and talked late into the night. The retreat not only rejuvenated the team, but also reminded them of why they were doing this work. It was a turning point that reignited their passion and creativity. As the project progressed, the team's successes were regularly shared with the Carrick Group. The investors were continually impressed by the project's progress, recognizing that the AI-powered cameras were far exceeding expectations. These cameras were poised to become a significant breakthrough, with applications far beyond their initial scope. When the cameras were finally completed and ready for market, both Ron and the Carrick Group knew they had created something truly special. The project was not just a professional achievement, but a deeply personal one for Ron and his team. They had created something that would make a real difference in people's lives, and they had done it together, overcoming obstacles and growing closer in the process. Ron Hardy's project, supported by the vision and resources of the Carrick Group in Bermuda, was not just a technological triumph, but a testament to what can be accomplished when innovative minds and forward-thinking investors unite. This partnership led to a legacy that would influence industries and shape the future in ways neither Ron nor the Carrick Group could have fully predicted.